Welcome to the fast-paced world of automotive innovation, where safety meets technology in the form of the best dashcams on the market. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior or a casual commuter, having a reliable eyewitness on board can make all the difference. In this comprehensive guide, we'll navigate through the top-notch dashcams that promise to capture every moment, from breathtaking scenery to unexpected road incidents. As we embark on this journey, rest assured that we've done the legwork to bring you the crème de la crème of dashcams. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, ensuring you not only stay informed, but also get the best bang for your buck. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of cutting-edge dashcam technology, where safety meets smart solutions. Number 5. Garmin Dashcam. You should consider the Garmin Dashcam as one of the best dashcams available on the market. With its pocket-sized design and advanced features, it offers a reliable and comprehensive solution for recording and documenting incidents on the road. The Garmin Dashcam 67W boasts a wide 180-degree lens and records high-quality 1440p HD video with Garmin Clarity HDR optics. It also includes voice control for easy operation and Wi-Fi connectivity for automatic video uploads and remote access. The parking guard feature ensures that your parked vehicle is monitored, while the driver alerts contribute to safer driving. Garmin Dashcam provides a seamless experience with its user-friendly interface and reliable performance. Number 4. Vantrue N2 Pro Uber. The Vantrue N2 Pro Uber is widely regarded as one of the best dashcams available on the market. With its dual-lens 1080p car camera and single front 2.5K 1440p dashcam, it offers high-quality video recording capabilities. The infrared night vision feature ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. Additionally, the 24-hour parking mode and auto LCD off feature provide continuous surveillance and save power when not in use. The looping recording and G-sensor features help capture important moments during your drives. The optional GPS feature allows for accurate location tracking. Number 3. Arife's Q3180p. Arife's Q3180p Wi-Fi Dashcam, your ultimate companion for road safety and peace of mind. This sleek and discreet dashcam, designed by Arife's, boasts a powerful set of features that redefine your driving experience. With a crystal-clear Full HD resolution at 30 fps, the Q3 ensures every detail is captured seamlessly. One standout feature is the built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and AirPeep control, allowing you to manage and view footage directly from your smartphone. Installation is a breeze, and its compact design remains discreet while offering 24 hours of parking mode for comprehensive security. The seamless loop recording and G-sensor technology guarantee that crucial moments are never missed, while the accident lock ensures the preservation of critical footage. Arife's Q3 is not just a dashcam, it's a reliable witness to your journeys, equipped with super night vision and heat-resistant technology. With support for up to 128 GB of storage, this dashcam offers ample space for all your road adventures. Plus, backed by a 12-month reliable warranty, Arife's Q3 ensures you drive with confidence. Experience the future of road safety. Upgrade to the Arife's Q3180p Wi-Fi Dashcam today. Number 2. Red Tiger F7N Plus. One of the best dashcams to consider is the Red Tiger F7N Plus. This dashcam offers 4K plus 1080p dual recording, providing you with excellent video quality. With a front wide angle of 170 degrees and a rear wide angle of 140 degrees, it captures a wide field of view. The f1.5 aperture and HDR/LVR technology ensure superior night vision, allowing you to record clear footage even in low-light conditions. The built-in GPS records your driving route, speed, and location, adding an extra layer of information to your recordings. The Wi-Fi and Smart App Control feature allows you to conveniently view, playback, and edit your videos. With reliable accident recording features like loop recording and a G-sensor, you can have peace of mind while on the road. The 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse function ensures your vehicle is protected even when parked. The Red Tiger F7N Plus comes with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 technical support, providing you with added assurance. Number 1. Vantrue N5. Consider the Vantrue N5 for one of the best dashcams available on the market. The Vantrue 5 offers a range of impressive features that make it a top choice for drivers looking for reliable and high-quality video recording. With its 4-channel 360 degrees wide-angle recording and industry-first rear cabin camera, you can capture every angle of your journey. The Sony Starvis 2 Night Vision ensures clear visibility even in low-light conditions. The 5G Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities allow for easy connectivity and accurate tracking. Additionally, the Vantrue 5 offers a 24-hour buffered parking mode, smart voice control, and easy detachment. Overall, the Vantrue 5 provides a reliable witness for accidents and offers peace of mind on the road. As we navigate the road of top-tier technology, these dashcams stand as the unsung heroes of the asphalt, capturing every twist, turn, and unexpected moment with unrivaled precision. From safety to style, they got you covered. So, whether you're a road warrior or a weekend cruiser, make the smart move. Invest in the best dashcam that suits your journey. Don't let a single moment slip away undocumented. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and ensure your road tales are captured in crystal clear clarity. If this guide fueled your drive for the perfect dashcam, give us a thumbs up, share the wisdom with your fellow road trippers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Stay tuned for all the latest content, tips, and reviews, because the road ahead is always better when you're prepared. Safe travels, and may your dashcam be your silent co-pilot on every adventure.